you've got the other roof, which I'll just try and pick up in these photos. Here we are. So you can see the gutter there coming down over this wall, but then here you can see that the front wall again has a parapet that extends above it. So you can see it in the sections here. And so we've made a level for that already. That was the one that we called TOW parapet from memory. Oh no, sorry, I used the that for the ridge, and so we'll need another level. Sorry for this other parapet. So yeah, and so I'm going to have to calculate that because of the way that yeah, well you've got okay, so we've got 300 plus 800 plus 1200. This, by the way, is not the way to dimension heights, but at least we've got the measurements. So yeah. Yeah. Well, he was just trained the old way. Architects many years ago did a fraction of the training that you've got to do now. 232 plus 1167 plus 75. Oh no, so it is the same as the other one. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. Perfect. Okay, so going into, and again, so if that was dimensioned properly, that would have been obvious from the outset.
We don't need to do another level.
Yeah, exactly. So in the 3D view, I'm simply going to select that main wall along the boundary, and then with control, the other walls at the front, those three walls in that sort of dogleg shape. Oh, so just with control. Yeah. And then I can set the top constraint to TOW parapet. Nice and easy. Yeah. So that one has the roof sitting over the top of it. So, yeah, so the gutter sits on the edge there. But again, just like the other wall we did, this wall here needs to extend past that corner. So I'm going to go to a plan view. I might just go to TOW again so that we can see clearly what's happening there. Yeah, I know. So yeah, I'll just minimise the ceiling plans for now, but we'll need them before long. Oh no, we're not going to make the roof yet. So just say yes and then cancel it. I'll say no. Sorry, and then doesn't matter. Whatever. Just hit the cross once it comes up to cancel making the roof, because you need to change the wall first anyway. So you should see a red cross. Yeah. So if you've got the walls coming up like this, then you can go to the Modify tab and find wall joins. So I'm just in TOW in the floor plans. Oh yeah, so just to TOW parapet in top constraint. Yeah. So once you're in the plan with the wall joins tool, then you can hover over that corner. It'll give you the square around that connection between the two walls. And then again, leave it on but, and then go to next, and it should extend the wall out. Oh, so you clicked on wall joins? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, well the bottom does, yeah. Yeah, but that's fine the way you've got it there. That's yep. So the other one's okay as well. Yep, that's good. Yeah, and then find the next button up on the options bar. Yep, that's it. Done. Okay, so that's good. And so now in the 3D view, you can see that it's taking up the whole front facade. So looking at it from the street, we'd only see that wall. So back to the TOW floor plan, and I'm going to make the roof right away. And so just by clicking on the roof tool, now the slope, just so you know, I worked out already, but of course I've forgotten what the angle was. I'll just double check that. I think it was 12 or something. No, so it's 23 degrees. Yeah. So yeah, once you've gone to roof, turn defined slope on, exactly, and
We're going to stick on the roof.
yep.
I'll put that notice to off the counter.
Oh, so you need to be in the TOW floor plan. Yeah, so just choose TOW from the list that it gives you. Yeah.
And then,
So then, once you've turned define slope on, then if you haven't changed the roof type to generic 125, you can do that as well in properties. And then you need to pick the wall at the bottom, and you can change the slope then to, what was it, 23? And then turn define slope off, and sorry, you'll need to go to how are we going to do this? So we'll do it, pick lines, and pick the inner face of those other walls.
inner.
Yeah.
All of those walls.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. And even the top, and then the one on the right, and you'll need to trim to corner to join those all together.
Okay, so otherwise it won't let you do it.
Yep.
Overlap. We just want it on that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it should look like that, and then you should be able to finish it.
The inner wall on the left, is that where the dog leg is? Joining down to my face wall?
Oh, sure. I'll have a look.